Welcome to Dream on Wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at the impressive Challenger 337 GA Graphite Ultimate, a modern motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort, flexibility, and upscale living without compromise. From the moment you first see this motorhome, it immediately makes a statement. The sleek Graphite Ultimate styling gives it a premium road presence, combining sharp body lines, large panoramic windows, and a contemporary exterior design that feels both elegant and purposeful. It's not simply built to travel, it's built to stand out. The semi-integrated structure creates a streamlined profile while also maximizing interior living space, making it practical for long journeys without sacrificing comfort. Large exterior storage compartments provide excellent touring capability, ensuring there's room for everything from travel essentials to outdoor equipment, while the wide habitation door offers convenient access to the beautifully designed interior. Stepping inside, the first impression is openness and sophistication. The living area feels bright, modern, and carefully designed to maximize comfort. Thanks to the rotating captain's chairs, the front cockpit seamlessly transforms into part of the main lounge, creating a welcoming social space perfect for relaxing. Dining or entertaining, the seating arrangement feels generous, and the overall design gives the impression of a luxury apartment on wheels rather than a traditional motorhome. Large windows and skylights flood the space with natural light during the day, while ambient lighting in the evening creates a warm, upscale atmosphere that enhances the premium feel. The kitchen continues this strong impression with a layout that balances practicality and style exceptionally well. Designed for real-world travel, it provides everything needed for comfortable meal preparation on the road. With a multi-burner stove, integrated sink, generous countertop space, and a large refrigerator, the kitchen feels fully equipped for both short trips and extended adventures. Storage is intelligently designed throughout, with multiple drawers and cabinets offering organized space for groceries, cookware, and essentials. It's a kitchen that doesn't just look modern. It functions efficiently for everyday life. Moving toward the rear, the sleeping area showcases one of the Challenger 337 GA's strongest qualities: comfort-focused flexibility. The twin-bed layout provides easy access, supportive mattresses, and a practical arrangement that enhances both comfort and convenience. Whether traveling as a couple or adapting the space for different sleeping needs, this setup offers versatility while maintaining a premium bedroom feel. Overhead cabinets and underbed storage further improve practicality, ensuring the space remains uncluttered and functional for longer journeys. The bathroom area is equally impressive, designed to deliver a level of usability that many travelers prioritize for full-time living. Rather than feeling cramped, the layout offers a practical combination of toilet, sink, and a dedicated shower area. The separation of shower and bathroom functions adds everyday convenience, making routines smoother and more comfortable. This thoughtful design transforms the bathroom from a simple necessity into a genuinely usable living feature, particularly valuable during extended travel. Moving into the cockpit, the driving experience feels modern, intuitive, and comfortable. The driver and passenger seats are supportive enough for long-distance journeys, while the dashboard offers clear instrumentation, accessible controls, and integrated navigation and infotainment systems. Large front windows provide excellent visibility, helping the motorhome feel manageable and controlled on the road despite its spacious interior. Once parked, the cockpit's seamless integration into the living area reinforces the vehicle's emphasis on versatility and intelligent design. The Challenger 337 GA Graphite Ultimate represents more than just modern RV design. It delivers a complete travel experience where luxury, innovation, and usability work together seamlessly. It's a motorhome designed not only to take you further, but to make every mile feel elevated. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to subscribe to Dream on Wheels for more luxury campervan and motorhome walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey.